Good night, your encouraging tendency.
Oh yeah. Okay, so you know we're on alright tonight, but don't worry about that because we're on again. We're done our next office location. Hello. Yes, we are on live, Mary. So we have Switch down here with us, and as you can see, we have the head cheerleader down here. And you know, of course, every two of them combined with this one, you know it's gonna be real trouble. So let's see what goes on now. Yeah, here, never. And also, here we go. Here we go. Let's see how to sing it. Wow, Shell, you good though, you remember all the words. I am shocked. Wow. So as you can see, we're down the office. Our office today is at Chill and Grill. And as you know, we've got a Sam and Dan. So we're going to show you what's going on here. Nice one, it's chill. Here we go. Greetings, greetings, greetings. Broadcast in the world, how are you going? Good? Alright, I hope you're not camera shy like me, because I can't. You're not camera shy? Man, you're good, man. So camera shy, man. You're lucky even talking here. You're good. Alright, my brother. Right, so we showed you all here already what it's like. But we're going to show you again for those people who come on for the first time. Double-sided bar. If you want to be in, oh, look, we got another singer behind the bar there. Jeez, yo, sweet, man. Now, this lady knew that our head cheerleader was coming with us today. So when he came in here, she said, hey, how are you going? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We said, yeah, well, we got some of the others coming now. She said, hold on a second. Take this lady, please. Anyway, I warned her, I told her, hey, Bobby, hey, people, so be good, though, you alright? I saw happy to see a cheerleader from the night. Alright, then, sit here, alright? So if you want to malicious and watch the entire world go by, as we said before, there's one side you can do it on. Not saying that everybody out here is malicious by any means. So ladies are just clearing the air. Yes. A good place to be watched. Are you on camera, Shay? Are you camera, Shay? Say yes, because I want to put the camera on you real bad. How are you going? We broadcasting all over on Facebook Live now. So if you are not supposed to hear, I can give you a certificate, or if it's a medical certificate you need, I can give you one of those. I am a doctor, so I can write one for you. So, you're laughing over there very hard though. Well. You're gonna give me a big laugh. I can't show your face. Let me see what it is then. She's on. Okay, I can leave you alone. She says to leave. You hear it depends. She does say, Simone, leave her then?
Yeah, leave her alone.
Well, and leave her alone?
Leave her alone.
You know, she just said that Simone is a person that annoys me so much that I always pester her. So this lady here, anyway, you can let her know. Is she a real good friend of yours?
Yeah.
A real good friend. So anyone that sees you and sees the back of her would know who it is. Okay, alright, no problem. So her invisible thing she tried just on the bike did not work because it's your friend. So anyhow, when you get home, you can have a look at Facebook and see how you could have been. Oh shoot, do I have some cards? Let me see. Let me see if I can find it for you though. You have your phone and stuff there? Right. Okay. I'm gonna get real trouble here. She poured in here now.
Kim said leave her alone. Kim, don't tell us what to do. Oh,
so we can do it, Kim. Deal with her? Correct. See, your friend is keeping the camera near you, but it's not on you, don't worry.
What's the name of the site?
If you look up on the Facebook, it's Nicholas, Nicholas, space, Dean is the last name, Deane. A-N-E. Yeah.
D-E-A-N-E?
D-E-A-N-E, yeah.
Okay, Nicholas.
Right, that's it, and they're on Facebook. Come have a look. Sorry I don't have any old cards with me. She made me forget them all. Oh, hold on. I may have... She didn't take kindly to me giving it away. Here we go, look, this is us. Oh yeah, come. Yeah, I am Belgian, I mean. You thought? Shit, well. Listen, look at me closely. I am too handsome to be a foreigner. I would only have to be a Belgian, that was only obvious. Handsome people are Belgians, no. Everybody else is not nearly as handsome. Wait, I gotta keep quiet though, let me have some Caribbean people around here. Two Guyanese? So what happened? I was talking with the man, they didn't say women. I said the Belgian men are handsome men. You were here in Barbados, right? Yeah. One sec. Let me just check, make sure she looking the same person. Yeah, we are handsome, for sure. Yeah, you have a good day, alright? Nice to meet you. I hope you bring your friend that's playing Invisible at the moment, who we're respecting, although my co-star told me to treat her like Simon, which would be really troublesome. Oh yeah, okay. You take care, alright? Thanks for being so nice about me, put on your spot. Okay, you take care. Okay. There we go again. So sorry we spent a long time out there because you know already we are spreading the love. That's what it's all about. So we get the other side of the bar, you know you saw it on the other side. We go over here though. We catch some people that we did not catch it from before. My brother, you good? See. You okay with this? You alright? Yeah, so we're having a beautiful view here at the bar and stuff. We go over there and deal with them now. They hopefully will not take a break. Or you going, you all good? Hopefully we'll not take a break and go off stage when we get there. Hopefully not, because I want to bring a little bit of them. As you all know, they do a great job out here. We have fun out here. There we go. Hello in the kitchen again. You're good? Alright, here we go. Bon time. On your love all the time. It's Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. This Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey. Now these guys here sell Tennessee whiskey. All them sucking down some banks beer then. This man, I'm looking for something here. We're going to jam me something now. They can get some individual playing hardcore. You see? No, you never play softcore, brother. How are you going? Alright, so you walk around here. You can just ease along this way here. See what's going to go on. Yeah. I'm going to slam some jam in a minute. I love to hear these fellas playing, huh? As you all know already, this is... Who's this here again? You know that 𝗷𝗃𝗀𝗲 𝗃𝗍𝗃. Oh, Sam and Dan. Okay, good. Okay, so Sam and Dan and the band.
He wants to say it backwards. Dan and Dan, the man.
Oh, good. Thank you. See how good she is? She's really, truthfully a great co-star. Affiliated with this band, so I'm gonna go catch her while she puts her food in her mouth. I was told. Now Simon, you told me that whoever was over here today with the band to give trouble to, because they give trouble more than me. So yeah. Now Simon evidently knows you, and even although you may not be the person she's talking about, Simon should deserve to be talked about because she's terrible. You know her? You don't know her? Count your blessings. Let me tell you, she ain't easy. That's Simon Thompson, just to make sure everybody knows what we're talking about. We were going to catch you while you had a mouthful, but you obviously saw us coming. Okay, wonderful. Alright, well, thanks again, huh? Take care, alright, cool. Boy, family over here playing the hiding, look. Playing the hiding again for them. You all good? Alright, man, good. Good to see you. Alright, so real good line over here, as you can see. Good crowd, nice, easy. I'm staying far from our table, as you can appreciate. It's Cheryl is over here. So we can go and see her in a couple of seconds time. But before we do, of course, I think it's something very, very, very important that we need for you to see. And that would be... Hello. Let me make sure it's on me. Today I had a problem at the birthday party. I was facing the camera at myself. Everything was perfect. But the ladies who were looking at the camera were a little concerned that I didn't have the other person that's talking to in the camera. Really not a problem, because me I really want to see. So I think my lineup is pretty good right now as well. Yeah, good. Now from the co-star myself, we're going to go and jump this camera in the other people's faces. And we're going to let you know right now. So here we go. You have to talk for me. Okay, you're on camera now, so if I forget about it.
Why are you blinding me?
Well, because we want to see you. Ah, boy, look at it. Yeah, I let you flick. Yeah.
I was just about to take a picture of the club you want me to.
You're about to take a picture too much? I told you I move fast, so fast your camera could not even catch me. That's what you're telling me.
The new apparatus?
No, it's not, no. No.
Cheers, Ian.
I don't let this one know below here playing that she ain't quiet. No. Cheers, bitch, Mary. Cheers. So from all of us over here at the moment, we may come back, who knows, never ever be sure.
You're just shutting them off already.
Yeah, we're shutting them off already. Of course,
my God.
yeah. You know, that's a good thing.
That was just cheap shot.
A cheap shot?
That was just a tease. That was such a tease.
You think we need to go again?
Are you guys taking a break?
Oh, you're playing that song?
Oh,
Nice.
Just listen to me. He doesn't listen to me. You need to be put under house arrest.
Let me flick this coin in a second. Flick. Which side?
He's got a big hickey on his neck. Turn that camera around. Let's
You got a hickey on his neck? Oh boy. Sorry about that. I didn't see it. It was the person you're backing and supporting.
Now I'm blind.
Can you give us the sticks in?
Are you telling me
yeah, it's better now. Sure. So, you okay with this? You okay? Alright, so good crowd down here. Yeah, rock it out now. Sweet guys, nice. Now, she's pretending that she's working. She's obviously sending off teasers to everyone that she's in Barbados, but pretending she's working. Okay, so don't blame me. I do not know you really, but when she sees this tonight, she'll probably say a thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up. Yeah, see, well done. Yeah. We don't age, no, we don't age. God spread joy, happiness, and love.
Come down here at the age blew the boat away like I never did see. We were on a cruise, we started moving. Said I love you, baby, but I gotta keep moving on. Keep moving on, come on. Life is a merry day, well, one more chance to feel the day.
Whoa, that was sick. Awesome, brother. Sweet session for sure. Alright, so we're done teasing them now because we're finished. So the teasing is over for now.
You're finished.
Okay, hold a second.
They're not finished.
I'm finished, but the band is not finished, so come on down.
They want to hear the music.
You want to hear the music? Anybody that want, if people can put up their hands on here, I give this a thumbs up right now. If you want to hear more music, I'll leave it for one more song. Talk to me, scream it up. Any thumbs coming up. Here we go.
Big wheels keep on turning.
morning band. Well, I'm going to give you a little bit of a spin out here. Let's see what the atmosphere looks like on the boardwalk. And then we shall come on back again. There we go. Sun is down, but people still enjoying the beauty. Don't have any cards? Okay, well, we got another one. Must have any truck.
People are asking
Okay.
for cards.
Alright, I'll try and get some. Smile, smile, smile.
Do that.
Anyhow, from us to you, we're gonna go get some cards.
So annoying.
Let me see if I got anything balanced up right. I can see myself at least. Can you see me or just you? Oh, hold on, man. Let's see what's on there. Where you going? Alright, so we can spend no time now socializing. So thanks for joining us again. Hope you enjoyed this little bit of the session.
Sorry you want to find short all the time.
You'll have a great night. So see you all tomorrow morning at sunrise. Get up to 3:15 a.m. Have a great evening. Catch you all later. Love you all.
Sorry, cut you